The YIHUA 995D EVO Soldering Station is a versatile tool that combines a powerful 110-watt soldering station with a hot air station, allowing for seamless soldering, desoldering, and hot air rework tasks. Equipped with an intuitive LCD display, this unit provides real-time data on power levels, temperature settings, air volume, and more, ensuring precise control over your work. Featuring advanced functions like precision PID temperature control, configurable preset channels, and automatic shutdown, it offers a high level of customization and safety. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for electronics or micro-soldering projects, from a soldering gun and hot air gun to various tips, tweezers, and a solder sucker. Users can confidently rely on YIHUA with its 12-month United States manufacturer coverage and round-the-clock professional assistance available on Amazon. Designed for convenience, the YIHUA 995D EVO operates on a standard United States power plug, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists and professionals alike.